Dear children, welcome to Brainy Path. Today teacher is going to do a video on art and craft. In that art and craft, today we will do origami. What is origami? Art and craft out of paper folding. In this video, teacher will show you how to make a simple tulip flower out of origami. What are the materials required? We need scissors, origami paper, then glue stick. Okay, different color papers can be used for making origami. Origami encourages to pinch, fold, shape and an effective way to practice hand movements and results in an exciting artwork. Let's start doing it. I know this is our first origami video, so that's why teacher has kept a simple origami activity for you all. Okay, so take a square paper like this. You can buy origami sheets also. Otherwise teacher will show you how to make an square paper like this. Okay, if you are having an A4 size sheet of paper, no need to worry. Okay, you can make an origami out of that. I'm going to show you how to fold the paper and make it into a square. So if you are having an A4 size paper like this with you, like this, you have to fold it first. Okay, so it should be a perfect square, then only we can do the origami out of it. So make a square paper like this. For that you have to fold it like this. The extra portion, see, like this rectangle shape you will get, that portion can be cut and removed. Now your origami paper is ready. Any color you can choose. Teacher has taken a red color paper. You have to fold it into two. See, like this. You have to fold it into a triangle. Okay. So first fold you have to do like this. First fold you will get a triangle. Then you have to open it and again you have to fold it into a triangle. See, now you are getting two folds in between. Now see where I have kept the finger. See, in that middle portion of that paper you have to fold it like this. So again you are getting another triangle. Again in the same way left side also you have to fold it like this. So these are the petals of the tulip flower. Okay, so now the tulip flower is ready, but tulip flower is having a long stem, right, with small leaves on it. So we have to make that also. So here, as it is the first origami for you, I am making it so simple. Okay, teacher will show you one more time how to fold the paper. See, you have to make a triangle first, then again open it, again you have to fold it into a triangle. See, like this teacher has prepared 2-3 tulip flowers. Okay, how much you want to make, that much you can make. Okay, the more you do, the more you can learn. Okay dears. See, it looks so beautiful now. In different colors. Teacher has prepared 4 tulip flowers here. Now we have to prepare stem for it. For that, teacher has taken crepe papers. Crepe papers has been folded and cut into rectangle shapes like this. Now we can attach at the behind of this tulip flowers, and petals can be folded like this also if you want. It is not necessary that you have to fold it like this, but if you fold it like this, petals appearance will be little more beautiful. So the stem of the tulip flower is ready. Like this you can make more stems and attach with the remaining flowers. So dear children, our tulip flowers are ready. I hope you all have enjoyed this origami session. Those who have not subscribed till now, please subscribe and share with your friends. And if you feel that if these videos are really helpful for your kids, please comment in the comment box. So all should try to do this origami. We'll be back soon with another video. Until then, bye. Have a nice day. Wish you all a merry and happy Christmas. Bye bye.